If you're a solo recruitment founder that's in the early stages of building your recruitment agency, one of the things that you're going to want to focus on in the early days is the speed at which you can get stuff done. Because naturally, when it's just you in the business and there's nobody else, you need to make sure that you're getting as much efficiency from the day as possible and focusing on all the activities that are going to help you build those relationships and drive revenue into your business. And at Giig, we're building a free forever recruitment ATS aimed at supporting solo founders. So if you are a solo founder that's building an agency, you can use our platform for completely free. There's no trial period and there's no restriction on the amount of candidates, companies, contacts, and jobs you can track. We're trying to make something that is truly free that you can use to get going. And when we're building it, we're always focusing on like, how can we make things as quick as possible for you so that you spend more time making those BD calls and building relationships with candidates and less time getting data from the ATS CRM or putting data into the system. And one of the features that we launched recently is a quick search functionality, which a lot of the ATSs or CRMs out there will have, but now we've got a quick search functionality where you can come to the platform and say, I'm looking for this candidate, I'm looking for this contact, and the system's just going to do a quick search of everything in your database and bring you up the results and then give you the quick actions so that you can fire off an email, create a task, get to that person's LinkedIn, those kind of things. And in this demo video, I'm going to show you how you can use that functionality. So I'll give you a quick run through of how you run a quick search and then start firing off those quick actions. And I'll show it to you on the desktop and the mobile app version. So to initially show you how it works, you just come to the search gig bar at the top and you start typing in what it is you're looking for, whether that be a candidate, contact, company, job. You can search for anything. And as you can see here, you've got the filtering options as well. So down here, you've got the quick links. So you can view his profile, send to a job, send an email, create a follow-up task as well at the same time. Create a task if you want to remind yourself to follow up for some reason. And then the final one is to view LinkedIn as well. To give you an example with, say, a name where you might have multiple results. So if you see here, search for the name James, it's brought me up both like candidates and contact records for that one. But obviously, so there's people that work at the company as well. And if I was to do a company search, it brings me up both people that have got the company email address, so they're candidates with that email, contacts with that email, and the company as well. To show you what it looks like on the mobile, so as I've said, we do have a mobile-ready version of Giig that you can download and start using as well. Super simple again, just come to the top, put in the name of the person, contact, company, or job you're looking for. It's going to pull the results, and exactly the same as the desktop, you've got your quick actions, so you can fire an email off from your phone if you wanted to do something like that. And again, you've got all the filtering as well so that you can switch between whatever record it is that you're looking for.